In this video, I will take an in-depth look at Dia Browser to determine if it is the right choice for your internet browsing needs. When you first open Dia, the clean and minimal interface immediately stands out. It focuses heavily on a distraction-free environment and user privacy, which is a breath of fresh air compared to bloated mainstream options. One of the strongest pros of using Dia Browser is its incredible speed. It handles resource-heavy websites with ease and manages tabs efficiently without slowing down your system. For those who care about security, Dia includes built-in tracking protection and ad-blocking features right out of the box. This means you do not have to hunt for third-party extensions just to stay safe online. However, every tool has some drawbacks to consider. While the simplicity is great, advanced users might find the lack of deep customization options a bit limiting. You will not find the massive library of extensions that you might be used to with Chrome or Firefox. This could be a deal breaker if your daily workflow relies on niche plugins. Another point to note is that the sync capabilities across different devices are still being refined, so it might not be as seamless as larger ecosystems yet. Despite these minor issues, Dia Browser is an excellent alternative for anyone who wants a fast, private, and uncluttered experience. It strikes a fantastic balance between performance and simplicity. If you are tired of being tracked and want a browser that stays out of your way, Dia is definitely worth a download today. Give it a try and see if it speeds up your digital life.